Welcome to the outer reaches of the universe, where we explore one of the most mysterious and awe-inspiring phenomena in the cosmos, the black hole. What if you, as a brave space explorer, stumbled upon a black hole while searching for a new planet for human habitation? Would you have any chance of survival? How would you get out? Is there a shortcut to another universe? Brace yourselves, because this is what would happen if you fell into a black hole. Despite being called a hole, a black hole is not a dark, empty space. In his theory of relativity, Albert Einstein predicted that black holes are formed when a massive star dies, leaving behind a smaller remnant core. If the core's mass is at least 3 times bigger than the mass of our sun, gravity overwhelms all other forces and turns the core into a black hole. But don't let its name fool you. A black hole is not a hole at all, but rather a massive amount of matter packed into an incredibly small space. Think of the sun with its gravitational field 28 times stronger than Earth's. If you were to walk on the sun, you'd be 28 times heavier than you are on Earth. Now imagine squeezing 4 suns into something that's just 15 miles in diameter, which is the distance you can cover in a 30-minute drive. What would the gravity be like there? A black hole's gravity is so strong that even light cannot escape it. That's why you'll never see one, but you can detect it from the gamma ray bursts the hole emits. These bursts, discovered by Stephen Hawking, now carry his name, Hawking radiation. Hawking himself believed that black holes can be passages to another universe. So if you were to fall into one, would you find yourself in an alternate dimension? Every black hole has an event horizon, the point at which gravitational pull becomes so strong that you can't escape it. It's the point of no return. If you found yourself outside of that point, you'd see stars twisted around a perfect circle of darkness. As you start being pulled toward a black hole, you'd be moving faster and faster, accelerated by the force of gravity. That's the first bad news for you, brave space traveler. The gravitational force of a black hole is very, very strong. If you fell feet first, your legs would feel a stronger gravitational pull than your head. Your body would be stretched apart. The most common black holes are called stellar, which can stretch about 9 miles across and be as heavy as 20 suns. If you happen to be pulled towards a stellar black hole, you'd be completely torn apart before you even reach the event horizon. So make sure to choose a supermassive one, the one that's 1,000,000 times heavier than our sun. In this case, your body would remain unharmed as you cross the event horizon, as the gravity would be pulling both your feet and your head with almost the same strength. And if you're wondering where to find one, you don't have to look too far. There's one right at the center of our Milky Way galaxy. Luckily, it's 165 quadrillion miles away from us and will suck in neither the sun nor the planets. But don't pack your suitcase just yet. Crossing the event horizon is just the beginning of the challenge. There's a gravitational singularity at the center of the black hole where density becomes infinite. You'd be squashed into that center and become one with the black hole. You wouldn't be able to tell anyone about your experience. However, a person observing you from outside the event horizon would see you become increasingly stretched out as you approach the singularity. This process is known as spaghettification, where the gravitational force is so strong that it pulls your body apart into long thin strips like spaghetti. The forces at play inside a black hole are so extreme that our current understanding of physics breaks down. Scientists are still trying to develop a theory of quantum gravity that can explain the behavior of black holes and their ultimate fate. Despite their mysterious and dangerous nature, black holes continue to fascinate scientists and the general public alike. They represent some of the most extreme and mind-boggling phenomena in the universe, and studying them has the potential to unlock many secrets of our universe. Who knows what other secrets the cosmos holds? Perhaps one day we'll discover something even more awe-inspiring than black holes. But until then, we can continue to marvel at these enigmatic and captivating objects and the mysteries they hold.